A tummy tuck is a procedure designed to remove excess fat and skin from the abdominal region and also tighten the muscles, and there are three types. A mini tummy tuck is one in which the lower abdominal muscles are tightened and a small amount of skin is removed. It is generally used for women who have only a small bulge, usually as a result of a pregnancy. A standard or full tummy tuck is designed to remove a larger amount of excess skin and fat and to tighten the upper and lower abdominal muscles. An extended tummy tuck is really an extended version of the full tummy tuck, but the amount of skin and fat that is removed is more, and the scar is longer. This procedure is generally reserved for women who have lost large amounts of weight, generally from 75 to 100 pounds. If you're trying to find out which procedure will work the best for you, please call my office and schedule a consultation. I'm Dr. Joseph Fata. To schedule a consultation, call our office at 317-575-9152 or visit our website at www.renplastics.com.